This door lock is broken. Let's change it. All you need is a new lock and a crosshead screwdriver. Take off the 2 screws here. Then you can take the old lock off. Then take off the 2 screws here. You can take the whole thing off. Grab the parts from the new lock, insert the door latch. Insert one handle from this side. Take off the 2 screws here. Put it on the other knob, insert the 2 screws, make sure they are aligned. If the door latch gets stuck like this, adjust the 4 screws accordingly until you find a perfect setup. Test it, then you're done.